Alright, so here we have the kidney, which I have labeled and colored accordingly. And alright, so we have inside the kidney, we start off with A, which is the loop of Henle, and it reabsorbs the water and sodium chloride from the urine to produce more concentrated urine than blood. And then we have the glomerulus B, which is there, and the first capillary bed composed of fenestrated capillaries, which are exceptionally porous, allowing large amounts of solutes to pass from blood and into the surrounding Bowman's capsule. And then we have the nephron, this area right inside of it, and that's the functional units of the kidney responsible for filtering blood, reabsorbing necessary substances, and excreting waste products to produce urine. So filter, reabsorb, secrete. And then we have the two ureters. Well, there's just one on this, but there's two ureters, which is right there. And it receives urine from the kidneys and conducts it to the urinary bladder. And then we have the renal artery, which is right there, the top upper one. So it enters the kidney at the renal hilus to bring oxygenated unfiltered blood into the kidneys. And then we have the cortex, which is there. There, the inside area, and that is the outer layer of the kidney where nephrons, which are the blood filtering units, begin. Also creates EPO, which helps make the red blood cells in the bone marrow. And we have the medulla, which is the right in here, and it's the inner portion that plays the crucial role in urine formation and maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance. And then last we have the renal vein, which we got right there, the lower one, and it's the blood vessels that carry filtered blood from the kidneys to the inferior vena cava, then to the heart. Alright, so the water goes into the kidney through the renal artery, so it goes in through there, and goes into the, the glomerulus, and in the nephron, filters the blood, gets all the nutrients, or not the blood, it filters the waste products and the excess water, gets all the unnecessary stuff out of there. Then it gets filtered, which then becomes just urine. And it's in the... Okay, so then... Alright, so then to the questions at the very end. What is the function of the urinary system? The function of the urinary system is to filter the blood, eliminate waste in the form of urine. The main function of the nephrons in the kidney, they filter blood, or it filters blood and it excretes the waste products. What other organs and structures are part of the urinary system other than the kidneys, which is the ureters, bladder, urethra? What is the function of the detrusor muscles? The detrusor muscles contort during urination to push urine out of the bladder and into the urethra. You need the force to get something out. It's just sitting there. It needs the force to actually get it through to the urethra so you can go to the restroom. What are the benefits to performing a urinalysis? The benefits to performing a urinalysis are to detect and monitor health conditions, screening before procedures, investigating symptoms, detecting substances in the urine. You can check for infections and assessing the kidney functions. And